Hey guys, usually I wouldn't be filming 2 videos in one day, but in this case there was a package that arrived for me this morning and I'm really excited to unbox it and share it with you guys. So this is a bag that I have been hunting down for a while, but because of COVID I just sort of lost all sort of like wanting to have a handbag or anything. But anyway, somebody did offer it to me and I thought it was still a really cute handbag. So it is the Louis Vuitton Vanity case, and this guy is so adorable. I know that vanity cases are really coming back in season, so I wanted to share this one with you guys today. It is in the canvas print, so this is like the regular monogram, and then it has the reverse monogram up here, and then it also has the reverse monogram here, and then 4 feet at the bottom, and then it has a leather handle with this sort of leather clochette right here. And I think the bag itself is just so pretty. It's very elegant looking. My husband says it looks very Korean or Japanese, but anyways, I really love the way that this handbag looks. And yeah, I just wanted to share it very quickly with you guys. I haven't used it yet, but it does look like it can contain quite a bit of space, so I'm really excited about that. It is very small. I think it's only about 18 inches across here, but because it is wide right here and because of its box shape, it can contain quite a bit. I think if I put my vlogging camera in here, you could actually carry it around. So I am excited to use it. On the inside, this is just their microfiber lining, and yeah, it's just black lining. This one is made in France, so very lucky that I was able to get a made in France piece. And the other thing that I really liked about this bag is actually the hardware. So this chain strap is detachable, and it kind of reminds me of the Chanel strap because it does have a little bit of the interwoven leather in between the hardware, and I think it's really pretty. It's just so nice, and I'm really excited to use it. So let me first do some mod shots for you guys so you can see how the bag looks on me. For height reference, I am 5'4", and I really think that the bag is the nicest worn on just one shoulder rather than as a crossbody, since it does stick out a little bit because of its boxy shape. And I think that the length of the strap is actually really perfect for wearing it just on one shoulder. Of course, you can also wear it as a crossbody bag, and I think that it is a very lovely way to wear the handbag as well. I will say that I really like this strap. The strap is really nice and thick, and it feels very durable. I think that the quality of this is quite comparable to more of their high-end Louis Vuitton bags. In terms of price point, this was on the more expensive side. I feel like for that price point, I could have gone with an all leather option bag or something. But at the same time, I just really like the way that all of the elements come together on this handbag. The black goes very well with the reverse monogram. It goes very well with the monogram print. And usually I don't like my bags this busy, especially with like a lot of monogram prints, but looking at this bag, I find that the hardware and everything just really jives very well together, and I really like the way that this bag looks. So I am really excited to use it, and I will let you guys know in the future how it goes. I'll give you an update on the wear and tear of this bag. Anyways, that is all for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy that. I know it was a really short video, but I was just very excited to share this bag with you guys. So till next time, please do take care, and I will see all of you in the next video. Bye bye.